Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the maths class. Dear students, in the last sessions, we have discussed the complete fundamentals of set theory, like introduction of set theory, sets and its representations, different types of sets, and Venn diagrams, and different operations of sets, right? Now, I am going to start the first exercise in set theory. If you are confident with all the fundamentals of sets, we will finish this exercise within a short time. Okay? First, let's see the exercise 1 problems. Here, exercise 1.1, the first problem is just given certain statements, and out of those statements, which statement represents the set, and give the reasons. Okay, now the question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. So the given certain statements here, just we should decide which one is a set. If it is a set, what is the reason? Okay. So now let's see the first statement. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So here it is a set because in a year there is 12 months. So out of those 12 months we have to count the months which are starting with letter J. So simply we have only 3 months starting with the letter J. One is January, second one is June, and third one is July. So that's why certainly these are defined in a certain manner, right? So that's why it is a set. Next, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. In India, there is number of writers, and each writer was talented in his own area, right? So that's why we can't say exactly the 10 most talented writers of India. So this is not a set. Next, third statement is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. This is also not a set because we are observing in every test match, one-day match and T20 match, the players are different in each team. Very few members are constantly get the place in the particular match. So that's why we can't decide exactly the 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. This is not a set. The collection of all boys in your class. Yes, this is a set because the number of, specifically they mention the boys in the class. Next, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Here, this one also belongs to set because they mention that all natural numbers less than 100. Right? Next, a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So, here the collection of novels which are written by Munshi Premchand. Especially, they mention the name of the writer. So, this represents the set. Next, the collection of all even integers. This is also a set because these integers are comes under even numbers only. All are even integers. Right? Next one is the eighth one, the collection of questions in this chapter. The collection of questions in this chapter. This is also a set because they mention specifically questions in the chapter. This represents the set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. This is also a set because there is in the world number of animals are there, but the mention the category is dangerous animals of the world. So that's why this is also a set. Next, Roman number 2. Yet let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank spaces. Okay, when I gave the concept regarding sets and its representations, if the element is available in the particular set, then we use the belongs to symbol. This symbol we use. If the set is not available, the element is not available in the given set, then does not belong to symbol we need to be used. Now let's see the blanks according to this problem. So first one is 5-a. If 5 is available in this set, just use the belongs to symbol. So here it is 5 is available, so 5 is belongs to a. Next 8. In this set 8 is not available, so that's why 8 does not belongs to a. In this way remaining blanks you have to be filled. Next, write the following sets in a roster form. Already I gave the basics about sets and representations. We have two representations, one is roster form and another one is set builder form. And roster form just contains the elements which are separated by the commas and enclosed within the braces, and set builder form represents that each element of a set builder form follows the particular common property and no other element will be affect on the set. So here the question is, write the following sets in the roster form. The given that is set builder form, we need to write the roster form for the given set builder form. Okay, so first let's see the first one. If a is equals to x such that x is an integer and -3 less than x less than 7, so x is an integer and x value must be between these two numbers only. Now then -3 and 7 are excluded because the given less than operation. If the given less than or equal to operation, then you have to include these two values also. So that's why just simply leave this -3 and 7. The required solution for this one is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? These are less than -3 and also less than 7, right? Next, so question number 2 you can do. B is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. X is a natural number less than 6. Just count the numbers which are less than 6. Just 1, 2 like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's it, because less than 6 they are asking. Next, third one, c is equals to x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So here x is a 2-digit natural number and sum of its digits is 8. So the number x is a 2-digit number. If we add those 2 digits, we should get 8. So now let's see how many possibilities are there which satisfy the given conditions. Okay, first if we consider here it is set C, 17. First number is 17. 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. Yes, sum of its digits is 8. Next, 26. 2 plus 6, it is also sum of its digits is 8. 35, 3 plus 5 is 8. 44, 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. And 53, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And 62, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And 71, 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. 80, 8 plus 0, 8. So all these numbers are satisfy this condition. Only these possibilities are there for the given statement. Okay. Next. So remaining problems you better to do as a homework. The same method these problems also, and set of all letters given in the word. If we are going to write the elements given in the word, just we have to take the letters only ones which are repeated. right? Already I gave the example, so you better to solve these problems. Next, write the following statements in the set builder form. So here third Roman they given the set builder form, in the fourth Roman they given roster form. So for this roster form we have to write set builder form. Now let's see one or two problems in this Roman. So here the first one is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, 3, 6, 9 and 12. So the roster form of this set builder form is, we can write like this: x such that x is equal to 3n, n belongs to capital N means natural number, and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Clear? So first see, x is equals to 3n. So if n is how much? 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4, it means there is 4 possibilities: 1, 2 and 3 and 4 only, right? First if I took n is equals to 1, then 3 into 1 3. Next if I took n is equals to 2, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, next if n equal to 3, 3 into 3 is 9. If n is equals to 4, 3 into 4 is 12. Now the given set is 3, 6, 9 and 4 only, right? Sorry, 3 4s are 12 only. Clear? This is the set builder form of the given roster form. In this way you can write. Next we'll see another one. Suppose if you took fifth problem, 1, 4, 9 up to so on 100. So here we can observe that here 1 we can write 1 square, 4 we can write 2 square, right? Next 9 we can write 3 square. Like that 100 we can write 10 square. So all these are n square. So x, the roster set builder form of this expression is x such that x is equals to n square, n belongs to n, and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equals to 10. So here also the same as like a first problem, n is equals to 1 to 10 numbers we have to be considered, 1 to 10 numbers. So first if n is equals to 1, 1 square is 1, right? If n is equals to 2, 2 square is 4. If n is equal to 3, 3 square is 9. Like that if n is 10, 10 square is 100. Okay. So this is the actual given roster form. This is represents the set builder form of the given roster form. Clear? Next, remaining problems you better to do. Next, fifth Roman, list all the elements of the following sets. So just directly the given one statement you have to write all the roster forms for these problems. One or two I will explain. Just see. A is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. Just first you should identify that x is a natural number. Out of those natural number, odd numbers we have to be identified. That's it. Okay. Then the solution is comes like this. Odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 up to infinite. Okay. Next one. B is equals to x such that x is an integer and x is lies between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 value is 0.5. Minus 1 by 2 is always 0.5, right? And 9 by 2 value is 4 by 5. So we have to count the values between these two values only, 0.5 to 4.5, and these values must be or integers only, the given integers. So what are those values? So here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 only, because highest number is 4.5. Between these two numbers only we have to find the integers. So these possibilities are there. So that's why solution is B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? Next. Remaining 2 or 3 you can do by yourself. Next, sixth one, see in fifth, sixth one, f equal to x such that x is a constant in the English alphabet which precedes k. Just we have to count the consonants which are preceding the letter k. So just we exclude the vowels here. So they are asking only the consonants. So and the consonants are must be comes before k. So which are available we can see. We easily find out that, right? So those letters are consonants B, C, D, F, G, H and J, right? J. So these letters are preceding the letter K. Clear? Next one more. Sixth Roman, match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in a set builder form. Just here given in the left hand side all the roster forms are given, the right hand side set builder form is given. So just we have to match these two columns, right? So first see 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3 are factors of 6 and also natural numbers, right? 1, 2, 3 and 6 are factors or divisors and also natural number. So x such that x is a natural number and factors of 6 or divisors of 6. If this statement is available in the left hand side, we can match this. Yes, this third one is suitable to this one. So one is related to C only. Okay. Next, second one, 2, 3. These are the prime numbers. 2 and 3 are prime numbers and both are factors or divisors of 6, right? So that's why x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So for second one, A is suitable. Okay. Next, mathematics, simply you can identify that just the letters which are available in the word mathematics. So is a letter of the word mathematics. So simply we can match the mathematics option D. Next, finally which one is left? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is left. So here it is B is the suitable. If there is some other extra E or F is there, we need to check which common properties follows this particular set. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All these are odd natural numbers less than 10. So that's why B is the suitable option for this. Okay. Now students, I hope you understand all these problems. Then we move on to next exercise. Yes, this exercise also depends upon the definitions of all the sets, just like finite set, equal sets, infinite sets, null set, right? So if you are strong at the fundamentals of all the sets, you can answer these problems in a simple way. Okay, now let's see the exercise 2, the first question. Which of the following are examples of the null set? Null set definition is the set which does not contain any element is said to be a null set. So first let's see the first statement here. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So first identify the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. But here odd natural numbers they are asking. So odd numbers now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 up to infinite, right? Out of these odd natural numbers, no number is divisible by 2, right? So that's why here in the set there is no numbers for the first statement. So that's why the set contains no elements. So that's why it comes under null set. Okay. Next, set of 7 prime numbers, set of even prime numbers. So here there is no other prime numbers except 2. So that's why in this, for this statement, only one element is available in the set. So that's why one element is means it is a singleton set. So it is also a set only but not a null set because it has one element. Next, x says that x is a natural numbers and x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. Right? Here this is also not a null set because x is a natural number. It means x less than 5 numbers means 1, 2, 3 and 4 comes and x is greater than 7. So greater than 7 means 8, 9, 10 up to so on. Okay. So here the third solution is we get like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and greater than 7 means 8, 9, 10 up to infinite. Okay. Next, y says that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Any two parallel lines. Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. It is also a null set because here suppose I took two lines. This is one line, this is another line. These two lines are parallel to each other. If we extend this line like this and like, if we extend this line left side and right side, these two lines are never meet at any point. So that's why there is no common point. So this statement represents the null set only. Next, which of the following sets are finite and infinite? If you know the definition of finite and infinite set, you can answer this statements. The set of months of a year, it is a finite set because in the year we can count the number of months easily because there is a 12 months, so that's why it is a finite set. Next statement 2, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. So here we cannot count these values, so that's why it comes under infinite set. Next third one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 99 and 100. So here total 100 numbers are there, we can count easily, so that's why it is a finite set. The set of positive integers greater than 100. Greater than 100 means 101, 102, 103, 104 up to infinite numbers are there, so that's why this is also infinite set. Next, fifth statement, the set of prime numbers less than 99. So we can easily count the prime numbers which are less than 99, right? So that's why this is a finite set. Next, third Roman is state whether each of the following set is a finite or infinite set. The first statement is the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. This is a infinite set because on C this parallel line horizontal line represents the x-axis, vertical line represents the y-axis. For this x-axis we can draw an infinite number of parallel lines, right? We can draw like this. So that's why this statements represents the infinite set because the number of lines parallel to the x-axis are uncountable. Clear? Next, the set of letters in the English alphabet. In the English alphabet, we can count the number of letters, right? So this is a finite set. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means just comes like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 up to so on, right? So multiple of 5 also comes under infinite set. Next one is the set of animals living on the earth. The set of animals living on the earth. Animals we can also find that. So this is also comes under finite set. Next, the set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. So the set of circles are infinite because if you observe this diagram, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. These two axes meeting point is origin 0 and 0. So from this we can draw the circle like this. This is the origin. So with this origin we can draw a circle like this. This is one circle, this is another circle, this is another circle, and this is another circle. So this is one more circle. Like this we can draw the infinite number of circles, right? So here the point is we can draw the infinite number of circles with a different radius through this origin. So that's why it is a infinite set. Clear? Next, fourth one see. In the following, state whether A is equals to B or not. A is equal to B or not. Just simply, if you know the definition of equal sets, you can easily answer these kind of problems. Okay. Now let's see the first one. A is equal to A, B, C, D. B is equals to D, C, B, A. So here we can clearly say that A is equals to B, because the number of elements in A is 4, the number of elements in B is also 4, and the 4 elements are same in both the sets, right? Just the order of sets is changed here. Already I gave one note point. If the elements order is changed in the given set, then the meaning of the set is will not be changed. So that's why here A is equals to B. Next, A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. B is equal to 8, 4, 16 and 18. So here it is number of elements is 4 in both the sets, but the elements are different. Here 12 is there, in set B 12 is not there. So that's why these two are not a equal sets. Next, third, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equal to x such that x is a positive even integer and x less than or equal to 10. So here positive even integers. So this is in a set builder form. If we write the set builder or roster form for this set builder form, we get 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 only, because x is an integer and it is also an even integer. It must be a positive. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are comes under integers, and these are even integers, and all these are positives and less than or equal to 10 only. So that's why A is equals to B. Next, A is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10. B is equals to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on, right? So here if we write the multiples of 10 and the roster form of this one, 10 multiples are 10, 20, 30, right, 40, like that. But here B is 10, 15, 20, 25, some other extra terms also there. So that's why these two sets are not equal. So A is not equals to B. Clear? Next, fifth Roman, are the following pair of sets equal? Give the reasons. So first, A is equal to 2 and 3 and B is equal to x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. If you know the elements which are available in B, we need to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, first find out the roots of this quadratic equation. In this way we can find out one C. I took first the given quadratic equation, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. If we multiply these n term, first term and last term, we should get 6x square. If we took two numbers, if you multiply these two, we will get 6x square. 2 into 3 is 6, x into x is x square. If we add these two, we will get 5x, right? So in the place of 5x I can write, so 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. So just x common here, remaining is x plus 2 only. Plus if I 3 common here, 3 into x is remaining plus 3 2s are 6. So that's why x plus 2. Again from this equation, x plus 2 just common here, x plus 2 remaining is x only, right? Here x plus 2 common, remaining is 3. Now here x plus 2 is equals to 0 and x plus 3 is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to minus 3. This is the set B, right? So here this is set B, this is set A. Now we can clearly say that set A is not equals to set B, because here it is 2 and 3, here B is 2, minus 2 and minus 3. Just signs are changed, so that's why these two are unequal sets. Okay, next. Second one, A is equals to X as that X is a letter in the word follow. I told you that already. When they given the word, if you need to write the letters, just take the elements available in the given word. If the elements are repeated, just we have to take only one time only, right? So that's why here the letters available in the word F, O, L and W, right? So here also the letters in the word wolf, W, O, L, F. So here and here both are same. So A and B are equal sets. Clear? Next, from the sets given below, select equal sets. Just again identify the equal sets. So first A is equals to 2, 4, 8, 12. So is there any set which consists the same elements? So here 4, 8, 12 and 14. So here in this set A, 14 is not available. So there is no equal set for A. Next, let's see B. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, D is available. 3, 1, 4, 2. Just the elements order is changed at here. That's why B and D are equal sets. Okay. Next, E is equal. Already these elements are not there. 4, 8, 12, 14. There is no equal set which is contains 4, 8, 12 and 14, right? There is no set is available. Next, set E is equals to -1 and 1. There any sets are there? Yes. G has -1, 1 and -1. So E and G are equal sets. Clear? Next, F 0, A. So 0, 1 here. So this is these two also not equal. So right. So I hope you, my dear students, all your understand each and every problem. Just these problems are very simple and easy when you are good at fundamentals of set theory. Okay.